Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what to do if your DELL Latitude 5420 is not turning on. If your DELL Latitude is not turning on, there may be a few reasons for it. And let's begin with how to turn it on. So you should simply press on the power button right here in the top right corner on the keyboard, and if it doesn't work, then try pressing and holding it. If it still doesn't work, then try plugging it into power and try turning it on. It may not want to turn on for even up to half an hour after being plugged in, so you should just plug it in and wait up to half an hour so it charges a bit if it was fully discharged, or if it was exposed to some very cold temperatures for a long time, then you should even try holding it for longer. Because if it was exposed to very cold temperatures, then it may just not want to work for several hours. Now also, a very important thing is to make sure that your charger supplies enough power. If you're using a phone charger, this laptop is, by the way, charged with USB-C, so that's cool. But if you're using a phone charger, it may not supply enough power, because this laptop has a recommended charger of 65 watts, which is way more than most of the phone chargers out there, because they usually are like up to 30-35 watts. So yeah, and also make sure that it's from a reputable brand, because the cheap chargers from like generic cheap chargers can break pretty quickly, and also in fact they can simply just also not supply enough power, and you should get a reputable brand one. But also the reputable ones can break, so if you know someone that has a USB-C charger that supplies 65 watts, just borrow it from them and try looking if it helps. If it doesn't, then you should probably seek some professional help, because something may be broken on your system. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.